बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन। पीपीएससी एफपीएससी के लॉ के पेपर के लिए जो एमसीक्यूज़ की सीरीज़ चल रही है, इसके अंदर आज का टॉपिक है बेसिक प्रोसीजर फेयरनेस एंड राइट्स। आज इसके अंदर 50 अहम तरीन सवालात हैं। तो चलिए चलते हैं वीडियो की डिटेल की तरफ। द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑडी आल्टरम पैटर्न मीन्स नो वन शुड बी condemned unheard. The principle of nemo judice in causa sua means no one should be judged in his own cause. Which of the following is an essential component of natural justice? तो इसका है bias must be avoided. Justice should not only be done but should mean manifestly and undoubtedly be seen. तो ये impartially of judges. The right to be heard includes all of the above. जितने भी हैं notice of hearing, opportunity to defend, right to present evidence, all of the above. तो ये all of the above है. Which article of the Constitution of Pakistan guarantees the right to fair trial? तो वो article 10A है. The rule against bias is based on the principle of nemo judice in causa sua. Which writ is issued to enforce the right of personal liberty? तो वो है habeas corpus. Personal liberty तो ये आपने याद रखना है. Which writ can quash an administrative order passed in violation of natural justice? तो वो है certiorari. Right to cross examination is a part of right to fair hearing. Adi alteram partem literally means to hear the other side. The principle of natural justice is mainly concerned with fairness in procedure. Right to legal representation is part of procedural fairness. Which of the following is not a principle of natural justice? तो वो natural justice का कौन सा प्रोसीजर नहीं? Right to equal pay. Which maxim is directly related to bias? Nemo judice in causa sua. Procedural fairness requires that decision must be transparent and impartial. In case of violation of natural justice, the affected party may approach High Court under writ jurisdiction. Which right ensures that an accused person must be informed of the charges? Right to fair trial के अंदर ही आता है. The Constitution of Pakistan places right to fair trial in fundamental rights. A biased decision is void, तो वो void होता है. Which of the following is an example of procedural fairness? Right to notice before dismissal. Rule of law implies supremacy of law over individuals. Which article of Pakistan Constitution deals with security of person? Article 9. Which writ is used to restrain a person from holding a public office unlawfully? तो वो है quo warranto. Writ of mandamus is issued to compel performance of duty. A fair trial must be conducted by competent and impartial tribunal. तो उनको करना चाहिए. The doctrine of natural justice originated in common law. ये रोमन लॉ है, इस्लामिक लॉ, कॉमन लॉ तो ये कॉमन लॉ के अंदर है. द प्रिंसिपल नो मैन शेल सफरिंग विदाउट बीइंग हर्ड. किसी को भी बगैर सुने सजा नहीं दी जा सकती. आर्टिकल 4 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान प्रोवाइड्स राइट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स टू बी डेल्ट विद इन अकॉर्डेंस विद लॉ. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट कवर्ड अंडर नेचुरल जस्टिस? तो वो है राइट टू वोट. Which writ is related to judicial review of quasi judicial orders? तो वो है certiorari. The word due process of law relates to procedural fairness. In Pakistan, independence of judiciary is granted under Article 175. Which right protects individuals against arbitrary arrest and detention? तो वो है right to liberty. Right to information is provided under which article? वो है Article 19A. The principle of rule against bias ensures impartiality of decision makers. The right to appeal is considered part of procedural fairness. The maxim nemo debt esse judice in properia cause, इसका क्या मतलब है? No one can be judged in his own cause. Violation of natural justice principles makes a decision void ab initio. Right to counsel is safeguard of fair trial. The principle of opportunity in administrative law ensures punishment must fit the offense. Bias may be pecuniary, personal or official, refers to grounds of judicial disqualification. The writ that commands a public authority to act within jurisdiction is prohibition. Question number 44. Which of the following is not a writ? Estoppel is not a writ. A right to equality before law is provided in Article 25. A rule of natural justice apply to judicial proceeding, administrative proceeding, quasi-judicial proceeding, all of the above. Fairness in action is another name for natural justice. Which of the following is a safeguard against misuse of executive power? तो वो है writ jurisdiction. Which is not a principle of procedural fairness. इसमें से कौन सी चीज़ है जो procedural fairness के असूल नहीं है? तो वो है right to vice. The main objective of natural justice is to prevent miscarriage of justice. नाज़रीन इकराम, ये थी आज की वीडियो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.